In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for group discussions, a step-by-step guide. First, set yourself up for success by assigning the right model tier to your topic. Look to the model framework selector at the top of your chat window. If you need speed for quick brainstorming, short definitions, simple analogies, or a big list of icebreakers, keep it on the instant tier. It's built for fast ideation and rapid drafts. If you're preparing for a high-stakes debate, dissecting a complex case study, mapping contrasting perspectives on sensitive policy questions, or defending a technical thesis, switch to the thinking tier. This tier is better at careful reasoning and weighing trade-offs. Don't hesitate to change tiers mid-session as your needs evolve. You can sketch ideas fast on instant, then move to thinking to refine nuance and anticipate pushback. Next, prepare your arguments with the perspective generator prompt. This helps you avoid tunnel vision and spot blind spots before they surface in the room. Paste this prompt and fill in your topic. Act as an objective debate coach, panel moderator, and critical thinker. I am participating in a group discussion about insert your topic here. Give me a structured breakdown of the three strongest arguments in favor of this topic, the three strongest arguments against it, and provide a list of common misconceptions or logical fallacies I should watch out for during the conversation. Read the output carefully, save what resonates, trim what doesn't, and consider asking for clearer examples or plain language summaries to fit your audience. Now stress test your position with the devil's advocate prompt. This simulates the heat of live questioning so you can respond with calm, factual clarity. Use, I am planning to argue that insert your main argument stance here during my upcoming group panel. Act as a tough devil's advocate and cross-examiner. Analyze my stance and provide four challenging rebuttal questions or counterpoints that my peers are likely to bring up to challenge my logic, along with a concise strategic guide on how I can respond to each calmly and factually. Practice delivering those responses out loud. Keep them concise, evidence-based, and free of loaded language. Finally, equip yourself to guide the room with the consensus builder prompt. Paste. During our group discussion, participants are likely to clash over insert the main area of conflict/disagreement. Act as a master corporate mediator. Provide me with 3 neutral bridging statements I can use out loud to de-escalate tension, summarize contrasting viewpoints fairly, and pivot the group toward a constructive, data-driven compromise. Use these statements to acknowledge both sides, highlight shared goals, and suggest next steps supported by data. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.